Welcome back to Glorious Study Circle. I am Bisma Wahid, teacher of City School. Our today's topic is Divion with all steps. In my last video, we discussed about multiplication with steps. And on your demand today, here Divion with steps is available for you. If you are new in the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and press on the bell icon so you can see all upcoming videos. Now let's get started. What is division? Division is splitting into equal parts. The word splitting is showing that it's a vocabulary word of division. By the way, do you know vocabulary words of division? Because it's a very important part. It will help you to understand word problems as well that are related to division. Now let's check what are the important vocabulary words that represent division. Divided by, share, divisible by, share equally, divide, group, divide into, every, and split. These all are the important vocabulary words that you should know. It will help you in word problems. Now let's talk about division parts. Most of the time we know about division, but we don't know about division parts. So here I labeled division parts for you. First of all, let's talk about dividend. For your ease, I labeled them with different colors. So with red color, it's dividend. What is dividend? The number being divided into parts, and we write it inside the division question. Then divisor, it's with green color, in that divisor is outside the number that divides the dividend. Then quotient, I labeled quotient with blue color, that quotient is the answer in division and it comes at the top of division question. Then remainder, the leftover amount that is not divisible is remainder. It comes at the end. I labeled it with black color. Now let's divide. First of all, we have to make a question. For that, we have to follow the pattern of division. The question means dividend will come inside. It's 3568 and we have to divide it with 2. So, what is 2 here? Yes, it's a divisor. 2 is divisor here and 3568 is dividend here. Now, let's start dividing. First of all, we will see the first number. Keep one thing in your mind. In division question, we will start the question from left side. In multiplication, addition and subtraction, we were starting the question from right side, from ones column. Now in division, keep in mind that we will start the question from left side. So the leftmost number is 3. We will take 3 and we will divide by 2. Keep that in mind. We will divide the numbers one by one. So first divide 3 and 2. 2 times 1 is 2. We can just write the smaller number or equal number but not the bigger number. So 2 times 1 is 2. If we will write 2 times 2 is 4. 4 will be bigger than 3. That's not possible to write a bigger number underneath the smaller number. So 2 times 1 is 2. Next is subtraction step. We will subtract 3 minus 2, 1. Now the next step is bring down the next number. The next number is 5. We will bring down 5. Now it's 15. Now we will see where 15 will come in 2's table. Now we will again read 2's table and we will see that there should be some number that is equal to 15 or less than 15 but not more than 15. So if we'll read 2's table, we know that 2 times 7 is 14. If we'll write 2 times 8 is 16, so 16 will be bigger. That's why we will write 2 times 7 is 14. Now the next step is again subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So don't need to write that 0, and we will bring down the next number. As you can see, the next number is 6. So we will bring 6 at 16 now. Now we will see where 16 will come in 2's table, and yes, we know that 2 times 8 is 16. Now again we will use the subtraction step, and 16 minus 16 is 0. Now we have one more number with us that we have to divide, that is 8. Doesn't matter that we have remainder 0 now, we will just bring down that 8, and we will see where 8 will come in 2's table, and we will be able to do that. 2 times 4 is 8. Again the subtraction step, 8 minus 8 is 0. Yes. Now what will be the division equation for that? 3568 divided by 2 equals to 1784. Do you people know about the steps or the parts here? Let's label. What is this? Yes, quotient. What is this now? This is divisor. Very good. What is this? This is dividend. Very nice. And where is remainder, by the way? Yes, it's at the end. Doesn't matter that it's 0. I hope that division is clear to you very well. Now it's your turn. Please do practice and share in the comment box that are you able to do division independently now? If you like the concept and if the concept is clear to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so you can get all the upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.